it's Michelle, Grateful Creations. Welcome to my channel. This is a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas that has been scraped 4 times. And I am going to once again attempt a Dutch pour. I have my base coat here. It's Amsterdam Titanium White with water. And it's really thin, just coming right off the stick. And I have been adding too many colors and too much paint. So I'm going to try to drizzle just a little bit this time. Sometimes more is not better. So I've got to keep in mind less is better. So I'm going to put down, I mixed this up a while ago, let it sit for an hour, but it's still got a lot of bubbles in it. So I tried blowing it out, and I like to use this so I know approximately how much paint I have in different places on the canvas, because I have been having issues with having too much in the center. So, and here come the bubbles. It's Saturday night, feeling all right. Here's my torch. Also, I was putting down way too much base paint, although it looks like I don't have enough over here. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time. Sometimes I have too much paint on and it just flies everywhere, and other times I don't have enough and it doesn't, the paints don't move. So this, now I know for sure I don't have that much paint left. So I've got to drizzle just a little tiny bit. And that's it. And the less paint I have, the better, because I have been messing it up. Now, this is the star of the show. This is Mermaid by TLP. And I mixed these paints with Liquitex pouring medium. This is Mango with a little tiny bit of Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And I have Shimmer. Oh, there's barely any of that left, which is good, because I have been, like I said, I've been putting way too much. And we also have Enchantment. It's like a pretty lilac color. I'm going to put down some, better give this a stir. This is just the last little bit of Sangria. See, this is starting to fractal already. That's exactly what was happening before. This is Twinkle. And then the tiniest bit of gold, because the gold was taking over. There we go. All right. And I might put a little tiny bit of white in here. It's the same as the base. There's fractals happening all over the place. That's crazy. All right, now so I'm gonna put some white around it to blow it out. Hopefully I've put enough on the canvas. And hopefully I don't need any more. All right, I'm gonna blow that over. and let it sit for a minute, putting it on low, no heat. Gonna leave it like that. Seems to fractal with the pigments, and I ran into that the last time, but I had put so much paint on it that it was not good at all. I mean, it was either that or I suck at blowing. But we can try this out again. Well, now it looks like I don't have enough color. Oh my gosh. Ah! Huh. Well, I'm gonna give it a minute or two for it to come up. I kind of messed up around here. I overblew it. But I really, really like what the pigments are doing. Let me give it a quick torch. See if anything else comes out. Yeah, the pigments are really, really pretty. I might have to blow a little with my mouth, which I didn't really want to do because I tend to overdo it. The less is more is, to me, better because it was not looking good before. There might be some color under here, I'm not sure. Nope. Do I add more there or just subtract? Can't really add too much because I don't have any more white left. That's pretty. Sometimes you have to just work with what you got. I'm liking that better. Yeah, less is more, guys. I have to admit. And there still are some fractals coming up, which is kind of cool. Nope, nothing there. That's better. All right. So nope, this is much better than it was. I had so much gold in it before. This is really turning out pretty. Very happy, very, very happy. Oh yeah. I'm liking this a lot better. Yeah, it's soft. I like that. What do you guys think? Maybe a little more over here. Yeah, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. It looks good. Well, that was a nice surprise. Okay, stop overworking it, Michelle. Done. Looks like I have a little bald spot here, so here we go. There we go. Let's get our sides a little bit. And hopefully this dries nice. It was a little windy earlier today, but it seems to have calmed down, yay. And I'm gonna call that done. Yay! I'll take you guys down for a close-up. The mistake I was making before is I tried to do the cloud mix. I tried to do something different, and it wasn't working out. So sometimes you just have to give up on something. But yeah, this is really cool. I love the fractals that are coming out. What a cool piece. All right. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I love this right here. It's like a rainbow of colors. This fractal in the center, these are fractaling up like crazy. And there's not a whole lot of cells per se, but I really am loving it. All right, I'm gonna take you guys down. Bug. They love paint. Isn't that crazy? All right, guys, I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, here it is. This is just a few moments. I don't know that it's gonna change anymore, so I thought I'd take you in. And look at that. Beautiful shimmer. Oh, isn't that just gorgeous? So I have to find a happy medium between too much paint and too little paint. But I kind of like the idea that this is a lot softer. Look at those fractals. Isn't that crazy? Beautiful. Yeah, I did blow the center out a little bit more. Look at that shine, that shimmer from all the, look at, oh. That's that twinkle right there. It's amazing that it made fractals instead of cells, which is really cool. Even when it's, it looks like there's negative space, there really isn't, because it's still got some pigments running through it. Very pretty. Look at that. That's that shimmer. And look at those fractals. Craziness. Me likey. And this is where the explosion of color is. And what happened here is I didn't cover these paints up as much with the white, so they really showed up nice. So there we go. Attempt number 4. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please be safe and create.